Hey guys, it's Taku here and welcome back to another video on the channel. And today is finally the day. I finally got a long-awaited laptop that I've ever wanted. This might be the most anticipated laptop in 2020. So, here it is. Hold on to your butts! Here it is. As you can see, we have a big AF Legion logo. So this is the Legion 515 with AMD processor. And yep, my brother-in-law decided to buy this for me because I've been wanting a new laptop for so long. He knew that I wanted one for really long time. Yeah, this box is much thicker than my old laptop that I previously unboxed back then. Oh man, I remember the past though. Anyway, let's look at the specs here. This boy here has a AMD Ryzen 7 4800H, clock at 2.9 GHz. It's an 8-core 16-thread processor, 8GB of RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, I think. And we have an NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics. You can simply go to Lenovo's website and configure this thing all the way up to the 1650 Ti. And we have a 4-cell battery. And of course, it comes with Windows 10 Home Single Language out of the box. And on the back, we have nothing else except the Microsoft Office label in there. And that's about it. So I decided to grab a trusty knife and cut the seal. And the seal has been cut. Oh god, okay. Alright, prepare your butts. Here it is. A long-awaited laptop that I have been wanted. Oh, this is quite hefty than my previous laptop that I used to use. So yeah, I'm gonna put this laptop aside for the time being and let's see what else we get underneath this foam thingy here. Oh, this one is a bit messy here. What else we get in the box? We have a power adapter which uses a Mickey Mouse adapter! Okay, why is my Mickey Mouse upside down? There we go. Now that looks like a Mickey Mouse. And we have a power brick which is quite enormous for a power brick. 170 watt power brick. I thought it's 135 watt from the Wi-Fi 30 I think. Or Wi-Fi 40, whatever. And we have a manual just sitting here, very lonely. And yeah, this is a setup guide and of course safety and warranty guide. I'm not gonna read that. So that's about it for the box. And let's look at the laptop itself. Alright, prepare your nuts. I'm gonna take the laptop out of this nice little cloth bag and here we go. Oh boy, that is really good. My first impression of this laptop was it is solid and it is quite hefty. This is more heftier than my Asus laptop that I used to use and oh my god. Hey guys, PTTO here, and turns out that one of the footage got cut off because of my wide camera being bugged out. I already used this laptop for 2 days and I already love it so far. But anyway, let's look at the I/O once again from the previous footage during the unboxing and before the first setup. On the left side, we have a cooling vent, a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A port, and of course a 3.5mm headphone jack. And of course we got a bottom firing speaker on that side here. On the front we got nothing. On the right side we have a power LED and a pokey button which is the Lenovo button, a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A port which got occupied by my a decade-old wireless mouse. And yeah, and of course we got another cooling vent. And you can see we have another bottom firing speaker on the side here, which is visible. One thing that I like about Legion series of laptops nowadays is that most of the I/O was on the back. On the back we got more cooling vents a gigabit Ethernet, a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A ports, an HDMI port, and of course we have a Lenovo proprietary rectangular connector, power port I should say. And of course we got a Kensington lock. On the bottom we got some... On the lid we get a Legion logo which has the iridescent lighting rainbow effect on here. And of course we got the Lenovo logo down here. And now let's open the machine here. On the palm rest we got a ThinkPad style keyboard which doesn't feel as good as the ThinkPad keyboard, but the experience is nearly identical as ThinkPad keyboards that I tried before. And of course this keyboard is RGB. You can get this laptop with either a white backlit keyboard or an RGB. And above the keyboard we have a power button which also performance mode indicator. White one means balance mode, red means performance mode, and the blue one is for quiet mode. And of course we got a touchpad which does not have a dedicated touchpad button. No touchpad buttons at all. And of course we got audio by Harman on the bottom left corner of the keyboard. And of course we got the Lenovo logo on the bottom right on the palm rest this time. Leading us to the screen, we have a 15.6 inch 1080p IPS display with 120Hz refresh rate, which people say that it's not going to be bright enough and it's not going to be color accurate, but I'm okay with this panel until I can upgrade the panel to 144Hz, or I don't know, I probably don't want to risk upgrading the display right now because it has warranty, you know what I mean. And of course down here we have a Legion logo, and on the top, yes my friends, of course we get a webcam, an indicator whenever the webcam is on, and we got stereo microphones. And the webcam has this shutter switch, and you can close it out whenever you don't use the webcam, or if you want to use the webcam, you can do this. And you don't have to tape the webcam with this webcam shutter switch. So yeah, I like that. It's time to plug the laptop in, and we're off to the races. Alright, laptop's plugged in, and are you ready for this? 3, 2, 1, smoke test! Oh, it's an RGB keyboard. Nice. Very nice. And I don't see a Legion logo on first startup. Huh? Oh, there we go. We have the Legion logo. Ho, 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 ho. I'm so happy getting this laptop. Let's zoom in onto the screen itself. Continue in selected language.
Oh, that is smooth as heck.
English, US. Yep.
Hi there. I'm Cortana.
Shut up, Cortana! Let's start with region. Is this right? US? No, that is wrong. Hold on, let me scroll down. Scroll up. My bad. Is this the right keyboard layout? English, US? Yep. I want to add the second keyboard layout? Nope. Alright, I'm gonna connect to the internet later, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna continue with limited setup because Microsoft is being Microsoft. And we have Windows 10 license agreement and the Lenovo license agreement. And I'm gonna hit accept. Who's going to use this PC? Oh, hold on. I'm gonna type my own name. Create a super memorable password. Nope. Do more across with activity history. Nope. So I'm gonna turn all that jizz off. Protect your device. Oh god, McAfee. Blech. Now we're into the boring no Windows setup here. While that's setting up, I'm gonna compare the Legion laptop to the one that I used to use, and that is my Asus laptop. And holy crap, look how much smaller the Legion laptop was compared to mine. So look at my taped up Asus junk. So I'm not gonna set up this whole thing in one video. So I'm gonna call it a wrap up of this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out new videos like this. Catch y'all later. The Taotaku signing out. Peace out.